Good day, mates. I'm Jack from down under. Yo, can you put me back on my feet? Yeah. Oh, it's moving. Yeah. Oh. Bang on, man. It's good. Yeah. Oh, you like my hat? This is special against the flies or the mosquitoes. Like this. They don't come into my eyes. Yeah. What do you find in the outback? You find some Joey. Joey is the kangaroo. And the kangaroo, well, they jump. Boing, boing, boing. With a little baby, all cute. Oh. But now, I would like to show you something very special from the Australia. A boomerang. This one is a very special one. You have to know how to throw it. And when you throw it, it never comes back. Unless if you have a doggy. When you're in the outback, you have to be organized. Yeah, but I've got everything in my backpack. Because in the bush, you don't find nothing. I've got everything. I did get water at the Billabong. My cap, my safety pocket. It's tea time. You want a cuppa? Waltzing Matilda, waltzing Matilda, waltzing Matilda. Man, this thing has disturbed me to drink. Okay, now I would like to do for you a typical Aussie recipe. Yeah, the Pavlova. Oh, Anna Pavlova was a Russian dancer. And when she came to Australia, we had to do something special, a tucker, something. So we did this Pavlova. So now we have to yakka to do it, to work to do it. Here are all the ingredients to do the Pavlova. But no worries, you find everything in the bush. What we need? We need some cream. We need some egg, only the white of the eggs, sugar and powdered sugar, some cornstarch, and a little bit of raspberry vinegar. We need some raspberry, and I just pick it from the tree, a mango, some kiwis, and a bit of lemon. And of course, for all that, we need a knife. This is not a knife. This is a knife. Now we're talking. And now we are going to whip the white to do the meringue. Yeah. And it has to be very light. It flies into the sky, so light it is. But we're gonna add just a tiny spoon of raspberry vinegar and 1 spoon of cornstarch. And then we start to whip. It's a lot of yakka, a lot of work. I have a better idea. Maybe I have something in my backpack. What I have in there? Oh yeah, this will do. Ah yeah, it's nice to be organized. And when it starts to get up a little bit, then you start to add the sugar slowly, little by little. And now that your meringue is ready, you have to put it in the oven at a very low temperature. Yeah, 270. Yeah, and this but for 1 hour and 15 minutes. After that, at the end, you cut the oven and you slightly open the door, barely open, and you leave it to cool down this way. And you will have something very cracky outside and soft inside. Divine. Wow. Faire de coupe. And now we can see the result. Look at that. They're so nice. They're so light. And it cracks under your teeth. I don't know if I can resist, but now we have to do the topping. And now we're gonna make the sauce to put on top of the pavlova. Yeah, the mango coulis. But to do that, I need something good. I'm organized. I've got it in my backpack. Yeah, oh yeah, there it is. You have to be organized when you go to the bush, you know. There. Here it is. We put this in. Put a little water. And we're gonna have a great coulis. I put a little lemon in there as well. That's done. Okay, now we're gonna whip the cream. Come on, you gonna help? No, stay there. Put the cream in. And we start. Oh no, maybe I find something better in my backpack. I know I've got something there, yeah. This one is much better. Oh yeah. You know, the pavlova is maybe not the best thing to eat on a barbecue, but it's very good on a brekkie or a breakfast. I'm gonna add powdered sugar. You have to be organized on the bush. Now for the presentation. We put the cream first on top like this. Then the coulis on top. A little bit on the side for beauty. And the fruits. The mangoes, the kiwi, and the raspberry. Bang on, huh? This is, I might try it. After that, I'm gonna drink with the flies. I'm gonna drink alone in the bush. Such a pleasure. So soft. It's so good. You know, Australia is a great country. Millions of fly cannot be wrong. Good day, mate. Do the kangaroo dance now. Do the kangaroo dance. Do the kangaroo dance now. Do the kangaroo dance. Everybody now. Do the kangaroo dance now. Do the kangaroo dance. Do the kangaroo dance now. Do the kangaroo dance. Everybody else together. Do the kangaroo dance now.